What's up, everybody? Chrome Update Hobby Break 5102. We are full to the dice. We go. 8 times squads first. Six, 7, and 8. D-backs up top. Marlins at the bottom. Eight times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Chester up top. Richard Ozen Fort on the bottom. 0. 0, Steven. We got 2 more in-house. 2 more in-house to give it a shot, but 0 came out so far. Shocker, huh? Panini. Good luck, guys. Good luck here. Good luck. Good. NASCAR is full to run next. Take your spots in impeccable. Let me see what that break number is before we get started here. Take your spots in 50-33, 50-33. That'll be the next impeccable. How many have we got left? 19 left of that impeccable. Ain't no doubt. You know I'm going to hit some nice NASCAR, Steve. Spence ain't got nothing on me on NASCAR. I'll show you. I'll show you guys. Talk is cheap. Let me show you. Kelly, Tate, Garrett Cole on the refractor, and Bryce Miller. Yeah, we've hit explosives. We did hit a CJ Stroud. It came out of a mega, but man. Yeah, me too, Steve. Honestly, Garcia, Yarborough, Ohtani. That can't be no worse, right, Steve? Ohtani on the refractor. Nada. I mean, they should at least, every case of product should have a case hit. Corbin, Schuster, Dylan Dodd, Sean Murphy. For the price of some of this product, every case should have a case, some sort of case hit. Wade Jr., Josh Young. That's just my opinion. Paul Goldschmidt on the Action Stars. And Carlos Vargas. Ahmed Tristan Casas. He's a dude. He's the dude, man. Titans of Tatis. And Clevenger. Again, there's more NASCAR on the site, guys. 5098 is full. Take your spots in the next NASCAR. Narcisco Crook. That's a hell of a name. On the ink for the Boston Red Sox. And Daniel Rice. Candelero on the refractor. And Michael got Bush. I just want to hit a Jack Wood auto again, Steve. I just want to hit more wood on the auto. Hyper of Casey for the Reds. Josh Young on the refractor for the Rangers. Get in there. Aroldis Chapman. O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates. Future Stars. Bo Bichette refractor. Excuse me. And Jason DeLay. Yeah. We hit 2 in one case, though. We did hit 2 in one case. Rich Hill, Walker, but we've had cases without them, too. Oscar Colas, White Sox. So I feel you, Steve. I feel you. Or make the auto checklist a lot gooder. Shoemake for the Pirates. Manchoy to 250 on the purple. Pittsburgh. Action Stars of Freddie. And Brett Baty on the rook. Again, NASCAR 2-Box Chronicles goes next. Nolan Jones, Nato, Dylan Dodd for Hot Atlanta on the Hyper. And Siri. Usually when I say that, my phone kicks on. Ward, DeGrom, Brandon Williamson, and Corbin Carroll on the rook. Solano, Owen Miller on the Hyper, Altuve, refractor, get that in the sleeve, and Dominic Fletcher. Gonzalez, refractor of Ozzie Albies, and David Peralta. Vin Joyce, Devin Williams on the refractor, and Sean Bouchard. Robbie Grossman on the negative for the Texas Rangers. Action Stars of Michael Harris and Adam Duvall for the Red Sox. Again, guys, hit the website jumboscards.com. Get your spots. Velasquez, Oscar Colas on the Hyper. Drew Maggi. Eduardo Julian, Michael Harris on the Future Stars refractor. Jake Irvin refractor, and Matt Moore. Jesse Chavez, Mike Trout refractor. And Taj Bradley. Looks like 5 packs to go. Remember, at 11 o'clock, we are doing the drawing for the C.J. Stroud, Adolis Garcia refractor, and Maeda. Garrett Hill, Lyles, Joey Weimer refractor, and Christopher Morel. Get some sleeves here. Nardi, La Stella, Mike Trout on the Action Stars, and Trevor Williams. Two packs left. Then I'm going to pull some heat in the NASCAR. Alvarez, Tavares, Titans of Volpe on the refractor. And Cody Bradford. Them Titans look pretty slick. Last pack Magic, let's do it. Dylan Moore, no Magic here. Matt Strom. And James. Little recap here, nothing massive out of there. Again, guys, we're going to put some more of these on. Probably have a few of these on every day. It's a super cheap break, just $9. And the Volpe debut patch is still alive, I believe. Unless somebody just hit it. That is the break, guys. Appreciate the fill. Chronicles 2-box NASCAR does go next.